You said action.
We need to make it again, my friend.
I cannot concentrate. Moms.
Mom.
Both, no comparison.
Both mom and dad, but moreover I'm dad's favorite.
Both of them for sure. Nobody better than other.
Both of them for sure.
Oh my God, if you could know, if I heard the name Mom or someone just say Mom, or I just heard someone like Mom's calling, I feel like there is an impact in me because without my mom, I'm nobody.
It is a God gift, so of course it's a main important person in the life.
Really, I remember the lovely days, lovely food.
Life. She is my life. Very wonderful world, not being created yet.
My mom is a hero.
She is the best person in my life.
Of course, I would like to thank my mom for everything she has done.
I love you too much and I am very happy you are in my life.
Mom, thank you very much for giving birth to me.
I have to tell my mom on this special day how I missed her so much.
I think thank you is not enough.
Wish you good health and long life.
How I really love her.
And I miss you too much.
For all her sacrifices.
For all your sacrifices.
How without her, I couldn't have been in this life.
And the unconditional love.
How without her, I couldn't have courage to walk.
Special word. Love you, mom.
Thank you for everything.
Because without my mom, I'm nobody.